of you that are always scared of, buying stuff yourself, not that you don't know how to do it, but buying stuff on 1688 is always scaring you. You don't want to lose your money. I want to do something for all of you. I've been thinking about it. I want to compile 40 manufacturers links, 1688 links, 40 1688 manufacturers link. Do you know what that is? It's a lot. I said manufacturers, not your regular suppliers. Manufacturers that have low MLQ. I want to compile 40 of them, 40 of their store links. These are people that I have bought from. These are people that I can attest to. You guys know that last year I bought a lot. Things I use at home, not even for my business. I bought kitchen item, I bought household item, I bought accessories. I was testing suppliers. I have people, my students, that asked me to help them, get samples from suppliers I can trust, and I did that, and today they are running business with these suppliers full time. I have been importing for the past 7 years from China using 1688 without having to travel. So I want to compile 40 manufacturers link for you. Within this link, or within the suppliers link, you will get suppliers that sell female clothing, male clothing, children clothing, female shoes, both flats and heels, right? Fashion item, jewelries. You will get those that sell traveling bags, luggage boxes. You will get suppliers that sell kitchen items. I mean manufacturers, right, that sell kitchen items like blenders. You will get those that sell rechargeable fan. This is a rechargeable fan I bought from China, from direct manufacturer. This rechargeable fan, you can see it's still with the nylon. If you have to buy it in Nigeria, you buy it for nothing less than 120,000 naira. But I bought it and I was able to sell. I bought some few pieces, so I needed just about 2. The remaining I was able to sell it to people for just 60,000 naira. You can imagine that price, 60k. Rechargeable fan that makes use of solar. It has its own panel, guys. Do you get me? So I'm gonna compile 40 manufacturers links for you people. Anything you want to buy, kiddies, adult fashion, household items, I'm going to compile 40 links so that you don't need to start sourcing for suppliers from scratch. You don't need to start, thinking, how do I get suppliers that will not scam me? Onyi is here to do that job for you. I have bought loads of things, so I'm going to get you manufacturers. Do you get me? So Onyi is here to do that for you, and you're going to pay a token for that because this is hard work. Right? But this is me doing it from a place of I want to help my people. So you're just paying a token. Last year I showed you guys video of when I bought different kitchen items, different useful kitchen items, ranging from microwave, deep freezer, television, cabinets. This already made cabinets that you can just, when you bring it, is in pieces, then you can just put them together. Different items. You're going to get up to 40 suppliers links. So normally if I'm to charge you for this, I should be charging you around 25k, but no, I'm not going to charge you that much. I'm not going to charge you that much at all. What you'll be paying for this 40 suppliers link is just 15,000 naira. I'm not stopping there, and then I'm going to make a video, right? You'll be getting that package with a video that will show you how to buy from them and use your bank card, your Naira bank card, your local bank card, how to use it and make payment. And I'm going to give you 3 shipping companies detail. Number 1, I'm giving you 40 links. Number 2, I'm giving you a video on how you can use your bank card. And number 3, I'm giving you 3 shipping company details, everything for just 15,000 naira. I mean, this is just for the first 50 people that will pre-order this right now. The first 50 people. After that, the price goes back to 25,000 naira because nobody will give you OG, original manufacturer's contact, up to 40 for this. Nobody would dare that. it is only that can do that for you. So if you're interested in pre-ordering it, there will be a link down here, down in the description. Click on that link, go pay your 15,000 naira right now, and it will show you where to get the course when it's available. It will be available in 2 weeks time. Do you understand me? It will be available in 2 weeks time. So go pre-order now. Go pre-order, go join the wait list now for just 15,000. Once it is ready, nobody's going to pay 15,000 again. Once it is ready, it is going back to the original price, which is 25,000 naira. So for those of you that will be pre-ordering, trust me, you will be glad you did. For just 15k, use the link down here. 40, remember I said how many? 40 manufacturers plus a video on how to buy with your card and 3 shipping company. This is what I'm giving you guys. So that's that about this video. Yeah, you will really be glad if you get this now, because I'm putting in my 100 into this supplier's detail I'm giving you guys. I don't want to hear only I bought from this supplier, they scammed me, they sent me what I ordered versus what I got. Nah. Okay, I'll see you guys.